Today, we're going to be getting the rest of this mud off and hopefully getting this top cleaned. I've never had a soft top on a Jeep before, so I don't know how bad it's going to stain it, and I'm kind of worried about that. So I'm going to get started on that, and then after that, we are going to do a hood latch install. Miss Mole Outdoors is awesome. She ordered me a set of locking hood latches, and I'm going to get those installed today. So stay tuned. Alright, so we've got the exterior of the Jeep about as clean as we can get it without going too far overboard. I hadn't done the top yet, and I don't really know if I want to right now. So it's hot and it's humid and I'm sweating too much. But we do need to clean out from under the Jeep. Right? Yeah, it's nasty. So we want everything to look good. Enter this awesome thing from Amazon that I can't remember the name of, but if you Google undercarriage on Amazon, you'll find it. Attaches to your pressure washer, you roll it under there, get all the mud out. Easy peasy. Most of the time. But yeah, we're gonna do that, and then we are gonna move the Jeep to a dry spot and start on the hood latches. I've been wanting these for a while. Miss Mole Outdoors has been giving me a hard time about it, but she eventually caved, so I guess I need to be grateful for that, huh? Anyway, so what we have here is a set of locking hood latches. You have to put the key in, turn, and that will actually let you take the latch off the hood. Once you put it down and it locks, it's not coming off. Yeah, it's a pretty straightforward install, guys. Nuts, bolts, basically any kind of hood latch is going to work the same way. Right, so let me get set up. I'll get you a close-up of what we're taking off, how we're taking it off, and how we're going to install the new ones. Be right there. As you can see, I've been hard at work installing some locking hood latches that Miss Mole Outdoors got for me. Originally thought it was just going to be a quick and easy swap-saroos with the existing hood latches I had, but it turns out I had to do some fab work on the fenders to get them to fit right and function correctly. So see how that moves. Basically, this hole that the hood latch rests down in, I had to make bigger on both sides. I don't know if you saw the other hood latch video, but the original ones that I got, I had to make those holes larger just to accommodate those, and now we've gone even bigger to accommodate the actuation of the locking hood latches. So yeah, I got one side completely done, and fit finish looks good. So what I'm gonna do is set the camera back up, and then I will show you the whole process from start to finish on the driver's side. Stay tuned. I always like to keep a bottle of soapy water around and clean up parts real quick. Easy peasy. Trying to get this as straight as possible. If we follow the lines here, this is pointed that direction and this is just jacked up. So what we want to do is try and get this kind of aligned that direction a little bit and then get this over to match it. So I'm going to keep tweaking that and I'll show you when I'm done. That took way longer than expected, but we got it done. So here we go, nice and lined. It's close enough. As soon as you put any kind of tension on the limb savers, it's going to move that bracket anyway. So, yeah, I'm tired. I'm whooped. I think I'm going to go take a nap. No, I'm just kidding. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I'll show you a little bit of what we did down at Uwari this weekend. Thanks for tuning in.